Night is upon us, life isn't grey. You got your mind made up about it. You feel like you fade away. You do all these things you normally hate, and I can't help but deny the things that I said. This isn't real, this is all in all what you're not meant to feel. So let's hide alone tonight. I like the feeling that this is just in my mind, just in my mind, just in my mind. Made out of water, we are what we feel, and the waves are going through us. Fate maybe heals, and for sometimes we struggle and question our life. The only answer inside us we find.